Unbelievably, you can use only your own body weight to change your physique in just 3 weeks. I'm putting down 6 unique workouts in this video that will help you quickly gain lean muscle with no equipment. Watch the video till the end because the last exercise is a game changer. It's an all-in-one powerhouse that not only builds muscle but burns fat like crazy. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats build lower body strength, enhance balance, and improve mobility. They also help boost your metabolism by activating large muscle groups, target muscles, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Toes should point slightly outward, about a 15 to 30 degree angle. Engage your core, push your chest up, and keep your back straight. Begin by pushing your hips back as if you're about to sit in a chair. Bend your knees, keeping them aligned with your toes. Lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, or lower if your flexibility allows. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and rise back up to standing. Reps. Perform 12 to 15 reps, maintaining proper form throughout. Avoid letting your knees cave inward. They should track over your toes at all times. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups build upper body strength, improve core stability, and enhance cardiovascular endurance when performed at a higher intensity. Target muscles, chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Begin in a high plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. No sagging or arching of the back. Lower your chest towards the floor by bending your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Keep your core tight and elbows controlled. Lower yourself until your chest hovers just above the ground or as low as you can go while maintaining form. Push through your palms, straightening your arms to return to the starting plank position. Reps. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. Drop to your knees to reduce intensity, keeping your core engaged and body in line. Exercise 3. Plank. Strengthen your core, improve posture, and enhance overall stability. They also reduce the risk of back pain by building a solid foundation of core strength. Target muscles, core, shoulders, back, and glutes. Last, your forearms on the ground, elbows directly under your shoulders. Your arms should form a 90-degree angle. Extend your legs back, resting on the balls of your feet. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your abs, glutes, and quads. Don't let your hips sag or raise too high. Breathe steadily and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Keep your gaze slightly ahead of your hands. This helps maintain a neutral spine. Exercise 4. Lunges. Lunges enhance lower body strength, improve balance and stability, and target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They also boost functional fitness, the kind of strength you use in daily activities. Target muscles, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Stand upright with your feet hip-width apart and your hands either on your hips or by your sides. Step forward with your right foot, planting it firmly. Lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Your back knee should hover just above the floor. Press through your front heel and step back to the starting position. Repeat with your left leg. Reps. Perform 10 reps per leg. Keep your torso upright and avoid leaning forward. Engage your core to stay balanced. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a full-body workout that boosts cardiovascular health, improves core strength, and increases agility. They also burn calories quickly, making them great for fat loss. Target muscles, core, shoulders, quads, and hip flexors. Begin in a high plank, hands shoulder-width apart, core tight, and back straight. Drive your right knee towards your chest without lifting your hips. Quickly switch legs, extending your right leg back and bringing your left knee forward, like running in place. Move as quickly as you can, while keeping control over your form. Duration. Continue for 30 to 45 seconds. Don't bounce your hips. glutes. Keep your back flat and core engaged throughout the movement. Exercise 6. Glute bridges. Glute bridges strengthen your posterior chain, the muscles along the back of your body, improving hip mobility, reducing lower back pain, and boosting athletic performance. Target muscles: glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Your arms should rest at your sides, palms facing down. Press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips off the floor. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause at the top, squeezing your glutes for 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly lower your hips back down without letting them touch the floor completely. Reps. Perform 15 reps. Avoid overarching your lower back. Focus on driving the movement through your glutes. Thanks for staying till the end. Here's a quick 3-week workout plan to build muscle and burn fat. Train 5 days a week. Mix strength and HIIT days. Strength days: 3 sets of push-ups, 12 to 15 reps. Squats: 15 to 20 reps. And lunges: 10 reps per leg. Focus on good form days. 30 seconds of mountain climbers and jumping jacks. 4 rounds, with 20 seconds rest between rounds. Alternate workouts, and use the other 2 days for light recovery, stretching, or yoga. Push harder each week to see results in just 3 weeks. These bodyweight exercises work, but adding equipment later can boost your strength even more. Like this video and subscribe for more workouts. See you next time.